Hey, Bo here. Good to see you. I wanted to show you something today. I need a card for a 17-year-old boy, and I didn't want to buy one. I kind of never want to buy one, and here's the reason why. Cards tend to be $5 and up. I don't even know if you can get them you might be able to get them for $1 at the dollar store, but they're expensive. They can be very expensive. And I get these card packs at Hobby Lobby, and you get 50 of them, and it's really 100. It's 50 cards, 50 envelopes. And I priced it down, and if you were to pay the full $6.99 without the sale at Hobby Lobby, it would be 14 cents per set, card and envelope. Usually you can get it 30 to 40% off, which would take that down to about 8 cents. So there's a far cry. There's a big difference between getting a card at the store, unless you can get it for $1. Even then, you're paying a whole lot more than if you can make it, if you just have a few supplies. And so that's what I did today. But I thought breaking that down to how much these cards turn out to be, even with all the little bits and pieces, it's 25 cents, and a whole lot of fun. Very, very relaxing. So this card, I wanted to kind of duplicate at least the template of it. I did the punching of the circles that look like balloons, and it says celebrate. And then I lined the card. But this is for a 17-year-old boy. This doesn't look like a 17-year-old boy. So I got to thinking blues, kind of manly colors. And I've been fiddling with jelly plate printing. Don't have it down. I don't even fully understand it yet. But I did use the roller and the paint and the jelly plate and created this as I was fiddling around, and I really kind of liked it's almost like a distressed denim. And so I thought, well, I'm going to pull that out and I'm going to use it, even though it's not really jelly print per se. And I wanted to do the balloon thing. So I chose blue, the denim, and then this looks kind of almost like a leather. And then I went ahead and stamped some happy birthday and put it on blue. And so we'll kind of be assembling that. What I used for this, you can use a hole punch. This is about a 2-inch hole punch. I used the die cut to do these, because on the solid colors, you get to see the stitching that's around it, and it adds just a little bit, but it would be just as cute if you did the hole punching. And then I use these little frames here. This is the big frame and then a little frame, and they both have the stitching around it because I used the die cut. But you could cut this out with scissors, not a big deal. Now, the interesting thing about this happy birthday is I got this set at a thrift store, and it's really for like birthdays, could be for wedding, because it's got the cake platters and then the cakes. It's got a happy birthday and kind of little banners, and I've used it actually quite a bit. And so I used it to stamp happy birthday. And again, these come out so crisp, the happy birthday, with the VersaFine. I've had this for a while, and I was using another black, and I'm not going back. VersaFine it prints like a laser printer. It is just beautiful. And again, I advise you also to, while you're doing it, if you're stamping one, stamp some others. I stamped happy birthday on both of these colors because I wasn't sure which I was going to want to put on the blue, and I chose the white, but I'll end up saving these or cutting them out. But for the future, I won't have to pull out my stamp stuff. I'll have some happy birthday stuff. When you buy this pack, you have to fold your own card, and the envelopes are not lined. And if you want to line them, you're going to have to make your own liner, which I did another video on. When I was looking at paper, I thought a blue liner would be, lining of the envelope would be pretty, but this is cardstock. It'd be way too stiff, in my opinion, for the inside of the envelope. So I was toying between these two. I don't really have anything else. I think I may go with this. The stars seem to come out of the blue with balloons. So I think I'm going to end up using this as a liner. But for now, let's put the card together, and I'll show you how we do this. We're going to, in order to get more balloons on, I thought it looked cute for the balloon to be half on and half off here, and plus you can arrange more balloons on it that way. And so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to kind of arrange them sort of in their order, kind of in a pattern of denim, brown, blue, denim, brown, blue. So what I do when I cut these off is I put my scissors here, and then I visually line up the end of the scissors up here. And then I just keep my eyes over that, and then I'm cutting along the card. And I always cut facing the wrong side. It's much easier to see what to cut going this way. All right. And there we go. And then we'll glue this on to its little frame. Hang on a second. We're going to elevate this. Let me go get some pads. Here is some 3D foam squares. This is fairly big. My little pack offers small or big. But I am going to do two big foams. My husband's sneezing out there. Pollens are really high here, so not a surprise. All right. There we go. I think that is a really, really cute card, and I think it looks boyish. And I also think I'm going to go out and do some more little denim work. I like that. I think that looks great for a man. So now I need to line the envelope. Wait, what did I forget? I forget to do the stamp on the back. So here you go. We've got a card for 14 cents. And of course, you've got to add, if you wanted to do the little foam pads, and these can be scraps from any paper that you have. I would say at the most it's 20-cent card, but it's handmade, it's beautiful, and it was made for a specific 17-year-old. So I hope you give it a try. Lastly, subscribe for more creative ideas here. Check out our playlist and see more things that might interest you, and comment below and give me a hi.